Good morning. Just on a roof over a retail store. So this is the rear of the retail store, the warehousing kind of side of it. We just thought this one was a little bit interesting as far as roofs go. So we've got a concrete deck, we've got a screed to falls, where we've done our core sample area about 15 metres from the gutter. So it's quite a thick screed where we've done the core sample. Concrete deck, 20mm of asphalt, and a felt overlay. Over the top of that, solar reflective paint, and over the top of that they've got a liquid. So I'll just spin you around. I'll show you some of the defects that we've found on this roof. So we've got the concrete coping stones, the usual kind of thing with the coping stones. All of the joints have been sealed various manners. So we've got some liquid coatings here over the joints, and we've got some mastic that's been put into the joints over there. There is a DPC under here, something you should always look for when you on your coping stones. I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but there is a DPC under here. So those kind of repairs that they've done on the joints are kind of superfluous, but that's what contractors do. Charge a lot of money and try and repair these jobs. So you can see, first thing is lots of cracking in the coating. So this is an unreinforced coating. So you've got a lot of cracking in there as the felt's moved. There's been some flashband repairs on the joints. So obviously they've not primed this metal here before they put the coating on. So the coating is just totally delaminated from where they've put the flashband joints on. So it's just a bit of a bodgy and scarper job. The other thing around the parapets is they've put this flashing on here, this felt kind of flashing onto the coating here for some reason, and then took this over the coating, whether that was there before or not. But you can see water can just get in behind here because they've not chased the felt underneath here, or took the coping stones off as they should, and put the felt underneath and then rebedded the coping stones. That's one way of doing it anyway. We've got a nice water blister here where the coating is delaminated. If I press on there, you see the water coming out. We've also got some water held here in this blister where you can see the gap there. You can see where the water has got down behind the felt in there, if I can get that focus. Okay, so then we've got water holding here at this place. We've got redundant air conditioning units. Always good to get rid of redundant plant if we can when we're refurbishing a roof. And then we've got this ponding, which is about 30mm at the deepest part. So as we know, that's going to be about 30 kilograms per square metre. Let's say cracking, all the usual kind of dirt on there, vegetation. Yeah, so we'll put a robust specification together on this one now. Obviously write the condition report, and then we'll get that back to our client, all in a completely independent manner, as we do. I'll see you on the next one.